Welcome to LAYER123 as an attendee of the World Congress 2020. This video is here to help you with the event platform. When you first log into the platform, you'll be asked to set a password to your account. This will bring you to the home page of the event. You can set up your profile by clicking on the right-hand corner on your name and click on My Profile. Here you can edit your details. Back on the home page, you are able to access different pages such as exhibitors, attendees, products, and demo videos. To view all the exhibitors, click on this button. All exhibitors are listed in sponsorship tiers. To access the agenda, you are able to do so with the shortcuts at the top of the page. The full 3-day agenda can be viewed here. The sessions you bookmark will appear on the right-hand side of your screen. You can click on any session and register your interest for that session for it to appear on your schedule. On the left, the platform also suggests other sessions for you. Click on the Attendees button to browse the attendee list. You are able to utilise the AI matchmaking function by searching specific terms such as their roles, technologies, and company types. You can interact with other attendees by clicking on their names. You are able to schedule meetings with them as long as they have available slots. We recommend writing a message to accompany your request. The live chat is on your right-hand side. You're also able to qualify your leads as you go. Simply use the scoring system at the bottom of the attendees page and put tags, make a note, or a rating. You can access your event schedule by clicking on My Event. You're able to view your scheduled meetings and sessions here. Toggle to remove the free slots for a cleaner schedule. You can also start your meeting calls here and the message page will pop up. To export your schedule, press Export to my calendar. For contacts, click on the contacts icon at the top and press Download. Throughout the event, you'll receive meeting requests. Click on the notification icon and press Meeting Call to start meetings. To search for products, click on the Products button to browse the white papers, products, or webinars. The exhibitor's details are listed under each product. You are able to browse for more documents and products. For example, clicking into Infinera's page, you can access their products and sessions listed at their exhibitor booth. On the right, there's a live chat option for you to interact with the exhibitor. If you'd like to browse the Swap Card Demo area, click on Swap Card Demo Area button. If you require any help from the LAYER123 team, click on the Customer Service button. For guides, click on Swap Card Resource Center.